Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates online on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to monetize your design skills and turn your creative work into a passive income stream. Let's dive right in and set this up step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. You'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard, which is your control center for managing everything related to your online store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the backend configurations for your store, including the apps we need to enable digital product sales. On the left side of the Settings page, click on Apps, and then click on Shopify App Store. This will open up the marketplace where you can find thousands of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. For selling digital downloads, we need a specific app. In the search bar, type digital downloads and click on it when it appears in the results. This app is essential because it allows you to attach downloadable files to your products, which is exactly what we need for selling Canva templates. Click Install. You'll be redirected to a new tab where the app will request access to some personal and store data. This is standard procedure for Shopify apps, so go ahead and click Install again to confirm. Once the app is installed, it will integrate seamlessly with your store. Now on the left side of your admin dashboard, click on Products and then click Add Product. This is where you'll create the listing for your Canva template. Give it a descriptive name, something like Canva template or whatever reflects the specific design you're selling. Next, input a price for your template. Consider the value and complexity of your design when setting this. Then scroll down to the shipping section and make sure to turn off the physical product option. Since this is a digital product, there's no need for shipping settings. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Save button at the top. This will create your product listing, but we still need to attach the actual digital file. Now let's head over to Canva, open the template you want to sell, and on the upper right corner, click Share in the Access Level dropdown. Change it to Anyone with Link. This ensures that your customers will be able to access the template once they purchase it. Then, make sure the permission is set to Can Edit so buyers can customize the template for their own use. Finally, click Copy Link to copy the shareable URL to your clipboard. Now, open Notepad or any text editor on your computer and paste the link. Save this file with a descriptive name like canvatemplate.txt. This text file will be what customers download, giving them instant access to your Canva design. Go back to Shopify and navigate to the product you just created. At the top of the product page, click on More Actions and select Add Digital File. This is where the Digital Downloads app comes into play. Click Add Files and select the text file you saved earlier. Once it's uploaded, click the Save button at the top. Now your Canva template is officially live and ready to sell. Customers who purchase this product will automatically receive a download link containing access to your Canva design. And that's it. You've successfully set up a digital product on Shopify and you're ready to start selling your Canva templates online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.